Ito at ang chika hindi naman talaga difficult masyado kasi I so love them. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring ultra maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Ito po ang reality show. Ang Tarya na Talakin Showbiz Edition. And damn! Siyempre pa, ang pag-uusapan namin ay ang P-Pop Kings na sa ngayon, hindi lang raw P-Pop Kings. Sold out royalties pa kasi nga, ang simula at wakas world tour nila ay sa iba't ibang lugar, sa iba't ibang bahagi ng mundo, ay sold out na ang mga tickets. Ang mga sure na sold out, maliban sa Philippine Arena venue ay ang San Mare,
Los Angeles,
San Francisco,
Toronto,
Taipei,
Temecula.
at Temecula, at
Where's Temecula, by the
also
way?
is it in California.
Ah, okay.
It's in California. Sa Toronto, there are two other Canadian venues that are almost sold out, and in Singapore, which is a 6,000 plus stadium, is almost sold out as well. At ikaw, Mare, sa tingin mo, bakit ganito na lang ang pagtanggap sa SB19 ng mga ibang tao, lalo na doon sa mga nasa ibang bansa?
Because they're not good.
Mhm.
They're the best.
Sa true.
Di ba?
Mm.
Pangalawa, they offer something new. Di ba? Pangatlo, they are genuinely talented.
Mhm.
Di ba? Pang-apat, they are driven to win your hearts, our hearts.
Yes.
Di ba? Through music and performances.
Yes.
Di ba? Ganun lang
Mm-mm.
naman yun eh.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? They have the capabilities to up their ante.
True.
Every time they perform,
Mm.
yung last performance nila, hinihigitan pa nila.
Yes.
Di ba? That is what sets them apart.
Yes.
Di ba?
Ang kanilang performances ay lagi of world-class caliber.
Mm-mm.
Diba? At talagang parang pag nanood ka, ikaw ang magigitla na, ay, ganito pala talaga kahusay.
At saka hindi eh, parang mapapaisip ka, are they Filipinos?
Mm.
Di ba? Kasi pang Hollywood. Di ba?
Super pang international
Oo.
ang galawan.
Of course, parang ano sila ng K-pop, di ba?
Oo.
Pero they up the ante of
Yes,
P-pop.
yes,
Di ba? To
oo.
level to the K-pop
Oo.
Di
Because
ba?
of them, P-pop now is recognized worldwide.
Oo, di ba?
Diba?
Parang kasi yung K-pop it's a challenge to to achieve.
Mm-mm.
Di ba? Eh lalo na yung P-pop kasi sila yung puso at kaluluwa ng P-pop, ang SB19.
Oo.
So the challenge is to bring P-pop and to magnify the greatness of Filipino performers sa universe, sa world.
Yes.
Di ba?
Actually, there is a senatorial aspirant na nakasabi nga that the P-pop wave is already here and is giving credit to SB19. Na
Sino
talagang
yun?
Kiko Pangilinan. He came up with a I think an interview or a press release na P-pop wave is here and we have to give credit and thanks to SB19 because of it. So
At saka tawag dito, wala yatang group, no offense man to other group whether P-pop yan or OPM yan or whatever, na kayang magganyan, mag-sold out
yes.
ng mga concerts sa abroad.
Abroad. Na ganyang karaming
Oo,
venue.
ganyang karaming venue, di ba?
Oo. And it's not
And to
even...
think, ilang years pa lang sila?
Oo.
2
Parang
years?
mga 4 years, 4
4
years,
years
5
pa lang
years.
sila, di ba?
Oo.
Di ba parang they are relatively new compared to the mga seasoned
Yes,
na mga
yes.
artists, di ba?
Oo.
And yet, nakukuha na nila yung audience
Mhm.
not only here but abroad. Di ba? In so short a time. Di ba?
At kung ang mga venues na ni-recite natin, ano lang po to ito yung mga venues nila na parang hanggang August. Meron pa silang September, October, na I think they're going to Japan, they're going to New Zealand, they're going to Australia, and other countries na hindi na papaperforman ng isang
Filipino group.
Filipino group.
Mm,
Kaya,
that's interesting.
oo, di ba? Parami pa ng parami lalo ang mga nagiging fan nila at supporter ng P-pop music.
And what's nice about this group, never yumabang.
Yes, true.
Di ba? Hindi, never sila, parang, they're all grounded.
Yes, yes.
Di
Oo.
ba? There were never any hint of arrogance.
Yes,
There was
true.
never any hint of of boastfulness.
Mm,
Di ba? Wala.
wala. Totoo, totoo yan. Totoo
Yun
yan.
pa rin sila.
Oo.
What we were then, ganun pa rin kami.
Ganun po sila. Yes,
Diba?
we have accounts of people who regularly cover them, who talk about them, to vouch how they have maintained their humility and their modesty,
Yan.
despite them being this big.
Oo. Kasi di ba, parang yung ibang group, di ba parang
Satsuru!
umano lang, yung parang sumikat lang, parang Diyos
Oo.
ko.
Parang yung group
Ay!
na
Wag
yung
na!
group na
Baka sumikat pa siya!
yung group na kumanta na puro suntinado sa isang Sunday afternoon show.
Aray ko.
Nakakaloka. Tapos, kayo rin? Naku. Yun na naman
Oo,
sabi sa
kasi-
ko, naku.
Di ba parang sila eh. Kaya sila inspiration to many.
Yes.
Inspiration to millions of Filipinos all over the world.
Mm-mm.
Di ba kasi have we heard any story na na nagwalang ya sila,
Oo.
lumaki ulo nila,
Nagwalwal
di ba?
kung saan-saan.
Oo, nagwala-wala kung saan-saan, ng performance nila, nanloko, o ng di ba wala.
Mm-mm.
Kasi ang sila, they were just driven performers.
Yes.
Di ba? And they want to to give us something new, di ba? Something that we can be all very proud
proud
of, di ba?
At talaga ang desire nila is for Filipino music to be known worldwide. Which is a very novel
At saka hindi,
ambition.
Whoever is writing for them,
Si Pablo.
si Pablo?
Pablo Nase.
Pablo, you're the
You are a
brightest,
genius.
Oo, you're a genius kasi all your music videos are all hit.
Yes.
I mean, walang ganun eh.
Oo.
Di ba na lahat, sunod-sunod, lahat ng
Oo.
At saka what makes you, you're a very prolific writer kasi alam mo yung gusto ng crowd, you are satisfying the music clamor of Filipinos and the world. Di ba? That is mastery of the craft.
Yes.
Di ba? Ganun yun.
Pero mare, may special request rito, may phone in request. Pakabalik mo raw ang iyong balabal. Oo.
Okay, bakit ba? Bakit ba? Diyos ko.
May special request ng MTRCB.
Ganon?
Pakibalik mo raw ang balabal mo
Diyos
dahil
ko, ano
parang
ba
alam
yan?
mo na, di ba?
Aray ko!
Baka raw, akalain ng mga tao, manananggal ka by SB19, nakanta nila.
Ganon?
Diba? So again, congratulations to the boys, to John Pablo Nase, to Josh Callen Santos, to Jacqueline De Josh, to Ken Susona, to Stella Hero. Talagang wow.
Si Pablo ba is the shortest among them?
I don't think he's the shortest. It's
Hindi.
Josh Callen Santos.
Si Josh Callen.
Josh Callen Santos is the eldest, age-wise.
Ah.
But si Pablo yung parang lagi nakaskirt
Si Pablo yung yung nag-judge, di ba? Kasama ni
ni Stel.
sa
sa
The Clash ba yun?
The Voice.
The Voice,
The
di
Voice,
ba?
The
Siya yung di ba? Yung
The Voice
square
Kids.
face,
Oo.
square face,
yung mukhang manika ang mukha.
na parang square, di ba?
Oo.
Parang cute.
Oo, pero cute. He's like, as far as his fashion is concerned, he's very androgynous. Nagpapalda
Oo
siya,
nga.
nagkasuot ng dresses.
Hindi-
Tapos, meron siyang latest video now, or dance video, kung saan yung parang black na mahabang dress. Tapos dance siya. And he's changing really the norms of what a man should wear. And I think a lot of men are following him already. Diba?
At saka isa pa nga yun sa maganda sa kanila, they're very fashion forward.
Yes.
Di ba?
Oo.
Something which is not found in other groups.
Yes.
Di ba?
Oo.
Kasi they are not they are not afraid to experiment in their sartorial taste.
Yes.
Charot!
At ang sabi nga ni Melanie Marquez, fashion is what you wear. At tandaan, when it comes to fashion, you should never conform. You inform.
Ay, ang taray, Diyos ko.
Kumbaga, ikaw magiging standard by which people see fashion. Tingnan niyo naman
Mm.
si Mare, oh. Laban,
Aray ko,
fashion, di ba? Ikaw na talaga magsuot ng ganyan na super colorful pero dalang-dala.
aray ko.
Hindi ba? Dahil dyan, inaanyayahan na po namin kayo mag-subscribe sa aming YouTube pahina sa Diary Tirada. At syempre na, pakitutukan ng aming palatuntunan tuwing Sabado at Linggo, alas 4 ng hapon. Ito po si Alwin Ignacio, the diva that you love. Kasama ko ang aking kumaring Ultra Maldita.
Hi, this is Alex Brosas.
Ito po ang Nakiti Show, ang tayo na Talakin Showbiz Edition. Magandang linggo po sa ating lahat.